myself speaking to the camera since I've been in Portland. I came for my brother's wedding. It's been so bad, my feet hurt so bad. I'm like trying to think and talk at the same time. It's only a little quick trip. I came up Friday and I'm leaving tomorrow, Sunday, which is not long enough. I love it here. And everyone's like, oh, it's because it's summertime. It's beautiful right now. So I'm like, oh my God, I could totally live here. But apparently, like, you don't see the sun for like 9 months. And I'm like, can you drive to see the sun? Because I love some gloom, but I do need sunshine. We all need sunshine. I think that's literally everybody needs sunshine. It's been such a trip. Like, so Friday, I thought I was all prepared. I had everything packed. And I get to the airport and I have no idea how to fucking check into these like new self-checkout or check-in airport kiosk things. My sister checked me in, and so I was like, where's my boarding pass? And I couldn't find it in my email. And I'm like, do I have it in my email? Like, how does this work? And then so I go up to the attendant and she's like, oh, you scan your ID. Where's your ID? Get me to see your ID. And so I'm like searching through my wallet. I'm like, oh my God, I don't have my fucking ID. And I'm at LAX. And I don't have my ID. So I like almost start to cry, and so everyone's like, how do you not have your ID? Everyone keeps asking me like, how do you not have your ID? Do you lose your ID? I'm like, no, I had it in my mom purse. I have this like fanny pack type of thing that has like card slots and my phone, and it's like actually a diaper holder, and like I prop him up when I carry him. And I took Link out. We went to Kid Space on Thursday, and then I forgot to switch over my full bag. So that has my driver's license and all my credit cards. Luckily I had my debit card, so I had like some form of funds when I was at the airport. But I was so prepared. I like made my own little cheese plate to take on the plane. I mean, I was able to buy water, so that was, if I wasn't able to buy like water, that would have sucked. Or just like anything. I actually went and went to the Mac store and bought a little setting spray too. Yeah, so, well, they let me through, obviously. It was crazy. I told them like, I forgot my ID. I had my real ID paperwork because I went to go get my real ID. And they're like, okay, well, she has this. We're gonna have to do extra screening. I'm like, okay, that's fine. It's like, as long as I can get through. And extra screening was barely anything. There's like some questions. And then they took me to the front. Like, I got to cut the line in TSA, but then they like went through my check-in bag and like wiped down like all the surfaces. And so yeah, it kind of sucked, but I got through. And then I'm like, okay, well, how am I supposed to get back? Because I don't have my ID and I'm now in a different state. And they were like, oh, have your husband overnight it to you. I'm just like, that could possibly not get here in time, you know? Dustin's like, oh, download the California DMV app and you can put your driver's license on it. I'm like, sweet, okay, let's do that. But then you have to take an actual picture of your driver's license. Like, you can't, like, you know, sometimes they're like, oh, upload a photo of your driver's license. No, they want an actual picture. There's no option to upload. You just have to take a picture. And then afterwards, they take a selfie of you. Because I was like, oh, what if Dustin does it at home for me? And he's like, I can't because it makes you take a selfie. I'm like, okay, like, how am I going to do this? So Dustin sends me all my cards. I'm like, send me my driver's license and I'll try to take a picture of it. I open up on my iPad and I'm like, trying to make it as big as possible and taking a picture of it. And it goes in for approval and then it comes back and it's like rejected because it can see that I'm like taking a picture of my driver's license. And I had to do it like 3 or 4 times and it finally got approved. So I'm hoping, like, but the internet says that I can use my California DMV driver's license app to get onto an airplane tomorrow. And I have my real ID paperwork. So I'm gonna get to the airport a little bit early, but I'm really hoping that everything goes fine. Cause like it's so crazy. I'm like I love being prepared. I hate being underprepared. It stresses me out, like to a point of like I'm like, I don't know if I would consider myself type A, but I'm definitely not type B. Like, I want to be prepared, especially for the airport. Oh, I just can't believe it, but I made it. And today, what did we do yesterday? We went to a brewery that was super fun. But God, these people fucking party. I don't know if it's just Portland or because it's a wedding, but like everyone can drink. And I'm not a drinker, basically. Like, I'm not a big drinker. I'm not anti-drinking. I just personally it doesn't work well with my body. My body just like doesn't process alcohol. And the worst feeling in the world for me is being hungover. Yeah, it's basically why I choose not to drink and just like what it does to your skin and stuff. But I did have a little bit, like I had a cocktail and a little sip some champagne, but it's just not for me. And then today we got up, we went to a really cute breakfast place. It's like a cute classic diner. Did a little walking around and then came back and got ready. And then I was like walking down the street. I'm like, oh my God, it's like a full bike lane street. Like I want to ride bikes down the street. And someone's like, you have to. My sister's like, do you want to jump on these Lime scooters? And it's like, actually I do. Like, this is so cool. And like, cause everyone rides them here. I guess it's just, I mean, people are like a lot more mindful when it comes to driving and just like pedestrians and people on the street here. Like, which is, I mean, LA, like they don't give a shit if you're in the bike lane. You're like, I'm in the fucking bike lane and you're honking at me. Like, but so we walked around. What did we do today? We met my cousin and her boyfriend at Grits and Gravy, I think is what it's called. And then we walked to this like Saturday market area thing. It was really cool.
Does anyone need a tarot reading?
And I bought this really beautiful necklace. Here, I'll show it to you. There's a little like jewelry stands, and this like old lady makes all this jewelry by herself. It's emerald gemstones. It's so beautiful, especially like in the sunlight. I was gonna wear it tonight, but I think I'm gonna wear it like white dresses, and I'm so excited to show it to Dustin. But I bought it, and then I'm like walking out of the market, and all of a sudden I'm just like, she's making jewelry now. She's got her life on track. She's got that artist spirit back because she's making jewelry now. She's making jewelry now. If you know, you know. So yeah, well, that's literally from Portlandia. Gosh. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this. And then we went down to the water. And then I think we like walked all the way to Pal's Books, which is insane. We've been doing a lot of walking. By the time I came back at like 1:30, I'd already hit 10,000 steps. I should see what I'm at, but I'm recording on my phone. And we came back and got ready for the wedding super quick. We went down to the courthouse, and my brother got married to Rachel, my new sister-in-law, and it was so beautiful and sweet. And then we went to a pub, like an Irish bar, and then after that we went all the way to I think it's Andina or something like that for dinner, the reception, and it was so much fun. I'm so tired though. My feet hurt, but it was so much fun. It's so nice to like celebrate my brother. I love him so much, and like I don't get to see him that often because he lives in Portland and I live in LA, but we do chat a lot, and like just talking to him, like I'm so glad. Like I love having a conversation with my brother. He's so intelligent. He's so fucking funny. Yeah, I've just had like a really great time here. I love it so much, but I'm so ready to see my sweet prince. Oh, I miss him. I miss him so much. So yeah, tomorrow we leave. Fly out at 2, check out at 11, standard. Hopefully I get home and see my boys. It was a quick little trip, but I hope this vlog was fun. I'm gonna film a little bit more tomorrow, hopefully in the morning. It's funny, like filming and stuff, especially when I like brought my tripod out this morning. People are like looking at me like, who's that girl? And just like, fake it till you make it, bitch. All right, toodles. She's a little hungover. Hi, no, it's okay. What's your name?
Did you say a poo-poo? Yeah. Oh, whoa, there's poop right there too. Yeah.